Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how your phone knows what you're going to say next? Or how Netflix always seems to know what show you want to watch? Well, that's all because of something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. And today, I'm going to explain exactly what AI is, like you're 10 years old. Let's go! So, what is AI? Well, imagine you're teaching your dog a new trick. At first, your dog has no idea what sit means. However, you repeatedly show them. You say sit, push their bottom down gently, and give them a treat. After doing this like 100 times, your dog finally gets it. Now, whenever you say sit, they know exactly what to do. AI works similarly, except instead of teaching a dog, we're teaching a computer. And instead of treats, we give it examples, thousands and thousands of examples. Let's say we want to teach a computer to recognize pictures of cats. We show it 10,000 pictures of cats and tell it this is a cat, this is also a cat. Then we show it pictures of dogs and say, this is not a cat. After seeing enough examples, the computer starts to figure out the patterns. It learns that cats usually have pointy ears, whiskers, and a certain shape. So the next time you show it a new picture it's never seen before, it can guess, hey, that's probably a cat. That's the basic idea of AI. It's a computer program that learns from examples instead of just following exact instructions. Now you might be thinking, wait, don't all computer programs learn stuff? Not really. Let me explain the difference. A regular computer program is like following a recipe. If you're making chocolate chip cookies, the recipe tells you exactly what to do, step by step. Add 2 cups of flour. Mix in 1 cup of sugar. Bake for 12 minutes. The recipe doesn't change, and you follow it the same way every time. But AI is different. AI is more like learning to ride a bike. Nobody can give you an exact recipe for riding a bike. You can't just follow steps like move your left foot exactly 30 degrees, then shift your weight 2 inches to the right. Instead, you have to try it, fall a bunch of times, and your brain figures out the balance on its own through practice. That's what makes AI special. It figures things out by practicing with lots of examples, just like you do when you're learning something new. Okay, so where do we actually see AI in real life? It's actually everywhere. Let me show you some cool examples. Voice assistants, when you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's AI. It has to listen to your voice, figure out what words you're saying, understand what you mean, and then figure out how to help you. That's a lot of learning. Video recommendations, ever notice how YouTube or TikTok always shows you videos you actually want to watch? That's AI watching what you like, what you skip, and what you watch all the way through. Then it tries to find more videos like the ones you enjoyed. Spam filters, your email has an AI that looks at messages and tries to figure out which ones are junk. It learns what spam looks like by seeing millions of examples. Video games, some video games have characters that learn how you play and get better at challenging you. That's AI making the game more fun. Face ID, your phone can recognize your face out of billions of people on Earth. It learned what your face looks like and can spot you even if you're wearing a hat or glasses. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about how AI actually learns. Remember how we talked about showing a computer thousands of cat pictures? Well, here's what's happening inside. Inside the AI, there are things called neural networks. Don't worry, that sounds way more complicated than it is. Think of it like your brain, which has neurons that pass messages to each other. AI has something similar, but made of math instead of brain cells. Here's a simple way to picture it. Imagine you have a big panel of light switches, like hundreds of them. When you show the AI a picture, some switches turn on, and some turn off, depending on what's in the picture. At first, the switches are set randomly, so the AI just guesses randomly whether something is a cat or not. But here's the cool part: every time the AI gets it wrong, it adjusts those switches just a tiny bit. If it saw a cat and guessed dog, it changed the switches a little. After thousands and thousands of adjustments from seeing thousands of pictures, those switches get set in just the right way to recognize cats really well. It's like adjusting the difficulty on a video game controller until it feels just right, except the AI is adjusting thousands of settings automatically. So here's a big question: can AI think like you and me? Is it actually smart like a person? The answer is, not really. At least not yet. AI is really good at specific tasks it's been trained on. An AI that's amazing at recognizing cats can't suddenly play chess. An AI that's great at recommending videos doesn't understand what the videos are actually about, like you do. Think about it this way. Imagine your friend is incredible at math, like they can solve any math problem instantly. But they've never learned to read or speak any language. Are they smart? Kind of. But they're missing a lot of what makes human intelligence special. That's what AI is like. It can be superhuman at one specific thing, but it doesn't understand the world the way you do. It doesn't have feelings, it doesn't wonder about things, and it doesn't really understand anything. It just finds patterns in data. When you watch a funny cat video, you laugh because you understand why it's funny. An AI might be able to tell you this is a cat video, but it has no idea what humor is. So what's next for AI? Well, scientists are working on making AI better and better every day. Some people are working on AI that can help doctors spot diseases earlier. Some are making AI that can help us understand climate change and protect the environment. Others are making AI helpers that can teach students subjects they're struggling with. But AI also comes with some important questions we all need to think about. Should AI be making important decisions? How do we make sure AI is fair to everyone? What jobs might change as AI gets better? These are things that you, as you grow up, might help figure out. The cool thing is, AI is a tool created by humans, for humans. Just like a hammer can build a house or a video game can entertain you, AI is something we control and decide how to use. So there you have it. AI is basically a computer program that learns from examples, kind of like how you learn new things. It's already all around us, helping with tons of stuff, but it's not the same as human intelligence. It's more like a super-focused helper that's really good at specific tasks. Pretty cool that you now understand something that even a lot of adults find confusing, right? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos where I explain complicated stuff in simple ways. And drop a comment below. What else do you want me to explain? See you in the next video.